I'm with you from the moment I meet you in the store, when I'm in your home for a home consultation, I'm there at the point when we reveal the design, and I'm there when your installation is completed at the end. It's complete end-to-end service, and that one person who is me stays with you for the whole of that journey.
So when I come round for the free home consultation, we'd start off by discussing everything, so things that you're looking to incorporate in, and then I would start to take down measurements whilst running through everything with you.
Before I go out on a home consultation, I really love it if a customer has done some research in advance. What I want is them to have found some kitchens on social media, found some images of things that they like, and also had to think about why they're changing their kitchen. So it's really important that you think about how this kitchen's going to make you feel, how it's going to function for you, and how I can help you be inspired to create that beautiful kitchen.
All about making the design make sense, because there's nothing worse than a fabulous looking kitchen that doesn't work for your lifestyle.
It's when we know what functional things that we need, larders, etc., that we can really start to design the space to work for you.
And I will ask you to make me a quick coffee. The reason for this is that I can appreciate how your kitchen works now or doesn't work, so that I can make those little changes when I'm creating the design for you.
Great thing with the computer graphics is that we can showcase the design ideas that we've come up with for your space, and it's a great opportunity to see how your space is going to take shape with our products.
And we can even add in the different tiles or flooring that you're looking at to give you a really good idea of what your space would look like fully finished. As a designer, I know how important finishing touches are to a kitchen. To make it personal to you, it has to work for you.